How to fix Riot Client Valorant update not working? First step, open up Task Manager. Under Process tab, search for Riot Client and Valorant. If it's running in background means end the task completely. Move on with next step, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Select Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Select Change Settings. Scroll down and search for Riot Client and Valorant. Both should enable in private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application is of not having means you need to click allow another app in the bottom side. Click it. Click browse. Go to C drive. Riot games. If you want Valorant, go to Valorant folder. Click it and add it. If you want Riot client, go to Riot client folder. Click it and click add in the bottom side. I already have, so I skip it. You need to click add. After adding, enable both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. Then move on with next step. Open up Riot client. Click it. Click profile icon. Click settings. This page will appear. In this, click Valorant. Scroll down. Click repair and start repair. It's nothing but it's entirely repair and verifying your game file. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Once complete after a successfully repaired message will come. Click OK and move on with next step. Clear your client caches. For this, search for run and type the following text: percentage local app data percentage. Scroll down. Click Riot games folder and delete the cache. I already deleted it. If you have means you need to open up the folder and delete the cache files. Close it. Next step, open up this PC. Click it. Make sure you have enough memory space. Make sure it is important settings. Right click, click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. Once scanning complete after, it will throw up the message successfully scanned. No error were found. Close it. And the last and final step, click settings. Click network and internet settings. Scroll down. Click advanced network settings. Click network reset. Click reset now. Thank you.